Anna had a plan for today. A simple one. 5 things, 5 stops. Nothing could go wrong. It went wrong. But here's the thing. The moments when things go wrong in English, those are the moments you learn the most. Today, you're going to follow Anna through a real day in the city. Not a perfect day, a real one. And by the end, you'll have the English to handle it. I'm Mr. Bond. This is English with Mr. Bond. Let's go.
Good morning. I placed an order online last week. I'm here to pick it up.
Of course. What name is it under?
Anna Reyes.
Just one moment. Reyes. Here we are. One book, everyday Spanish phrases.
Oh, actually, I ordered the Italian one. Everyday Italian phrases. Is that possible?
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Let me check the system.
No problem at all. Take your time.
You're right. It was Italian. The Italian copy is here, actually. It looks like it was filed under the wrong name. I apologize for the confusion.
These things happen. Thank you for sorting it out.
Of course. Shall I bag it for you?
Yes, please. Actually, do you have a gift bag? It's a present for my sister.
We do. Plain ones or these ones with a little star pattern. They're £1.50.
The stars. She'll love that. Thank you so much.
Enjoy the book. Have a lovely Saturday.
You too. Okay, my sister's birthday is next Saturday. She loves jewelry. I have no idea what to get her. This happens every year.
Can I help you find something?
I hope so. I'm looking for a gift for my sister. She loves jewelry, but she's very particular about what she likes. What kind of things does she usually wear? Simple things. Not too big. She doesn't like anything that's too showy. Then she'd love these. These are handmade. Silver with a small blue stone. Delicate, but they make a statement. Oh, those are lovely. Are they one of a kind? Each pair is. I make them myself. No two are exactly alike.
How much are they?
£35. That's a little over my budget, actually. Would you consider 30?
You know what?
For someone who clearly loves their sister?
30 it is.
Really? Thank you so much. She's gonna love these. Do you want me to wrap them? I have a nice little box and some tissue paper. That would be perfect. You've just made my Saturday so much easier. Enjoy it. It's a beautiful day. Happy birthday to your sister. Thank you. Truly. Sorry to bother you. Do you have a moment? I'm completely lost.
Of course. Where are you trying to get to?
Meridian Square. I was supposed to meet someone there 10 minutes ago.
Oh, you're not far at all. Head straight down this road. Don't turn until you reach the old clock tower. You can't miss it.
The clock tower. Got it.
Then turn right. Not left, right. And walk for about 2 minutes. The square opens up in front of you.
Sorry, right at the clock tower, then 2 minutes?
Exactly. Right at the clock tower. Then it's straight ahead.
That's brilliant. Thank you so much. I was starting to panic a bit.
Don't worry. You'll be there in 5 minutes. Good luck.
Thank you. Really. You're a lifesaver.
Good morning, Riverside Dental. How can I help you today?
Oh, good morning. I'd like to make an appointment, please. I've had a toothache for a couple of days, and I really need to get it looked at.
Of course. I'm sorry to hear that. Is this for a routine check, or is it more urgent?
It's more urgent, I think. The pain has been getting worse.
Okay, let's get you in soon. Are you already a patient with us?
No, I'm new to the area, actually.
No problem at all. We'd be happy to register you. Could I take your full name?
Yes, it's Anna Reeves.
And a contact number?
It's 07714 522 308.
Thank you, Anna. We have a slot on Thursday at 2:30. Would that work for you?
Thursday at 2:30. Yes, that's perfect, actually.
Wonderful. Just so you know, if you arrive about 5 minutes early, we'll have a short registration form for you to fill in. And bring a photo ID if you have one handy.
Of course. And just to check, is parking available nearby?
There's a small car park right behind the building, free for patients.
Oh, brilliant. Thank you so much. You've been really helpful.
You're very welcome, Anna. See you Thursday. Take care of yourself.
You made it. I was starting to worry. 5 minutes late. My record, actually. How are you? Good. Tired, but good. The server was just here. They're coming back.
Hi there. Are you ready to order or do you need a minute?
Yes. Actually, sorry. Give me 1 second.
Of course. Take your time.
I'll have a flat white and the tomato soup. Does it come with bread?
It does. A warm bread roll.
Perfect. That's everything for me.
Lovely. Any allergies I should know about?
None for me. All good here.
Great. I'll have that out for you shortly. Here we are. Tomato soup and roll, flat white, black coffee, and cheese toasty. Enjoy.
This looks wonderful. Thank you.
Anything else I can get you?
We're good for now. Thanks.
Good morning. I'm checking in for the flight to Tokyo, please. Good morning. Passport and booking reference? Here's my passport. Booking reference is TK4781. Perfect. Any bags to check today? Just the one. And I have to be honest, I'm a bit worried it might be slightly over. Let's see. Pop it on the scale for me. Here goes. 23 kilos. You're absolutely fine. Limit is 25. Oh, that's such a relief. I packed way too many shoes. Wouldn't be the first time. Window or aisle? Aisle, please. I like to be able to get up and walk around. Of course. I've put you in 22C. Aisle seat, good legroom. Your gate is gate 19. Boarding starts at 11:15, so about 2 hours from now. Gate 19, boarding at 11:15. Got it. Do I go through security first? Yes. Follow the departure signs, go through security, and gate 19 is about an 8-minute walk from there. Plenty of time. Brilliant. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful trip to Tokyo. Thank you. I can't wait. Good
You
morning.
finished! And if you shadowed every section, even the ones that felt difficult, then your brain is already building new patterns. That's not a feeling. That's how language acquisition works. Before you close this video, I have one question for you, and I genuinely want to know your answer. Leave it in the comments. Which conversation surprised you the most today, and why? Was it the market, the pharmacy, the moment Anna asked for directions twice? Tell me. Your answer helps me make the next episode better for you. If you want more episodes like this, real English, real situations, no filler, subscribe to this channel. Every episode gives you something you can use the same day. That's the deal. Until next time, keep practicing, keep going. This is English with Mr. Bond.